ඒකයි බය නැතුව මම Nokia Android smartphone එක ඕන කෙනෙකුට ගන්න කියන්නේ.
සමග අලුත් වන Nokia.
The petition filed in the Court of Appeal on the 30th of September by civil society activists Gamini Viyangoda and Professor Chandragupta Tenuvara, challenging SLPP presidential candidate Gotabaya Rajapaksa's Sri Lankan citizenship, was taken up for consideration today. The petition was taken up by the three-member judge bench comprising of Appeals Court President Justice Yasantha Kodagoda, Justices Mahinda Samyawardena and Arjuna Abesekara. Petitioners also sought an interim order suspending Rajapaksa's passport and national identity card pending the court's verdict. When the petition was taken up in court today, Deputy Solicitor General Nereen Pulle, representing the Attorney General's office, produced relevant documents from the Department of Immigration and Emigration as well as the Department for Registration of Persons. The State Attorney noted that the dual citizenship status application and the citizenship confirmation of the SLPP presidential candidate, who is named as the fifth respondent in the petition, are not among these documents. The Deputy Solicitor General pointed out that the department did not hold any files regarding dual citizenship applicants prior to 2007, including that of Gotabaya Rajapaksa. He highlighted that a ledger maintained by the Department of Immigration and Emigration mentions a number for Rajapaksa's dual citizenship application and a note that he had paid for the process. When inquired as to why there aren't any files prior to 2007, the Deputy Solicitor General had stated the relocation of the department's main office from Bambalapitiya to Punchaburalla as the reason. In response, President Counsel Romesh De Silva, representing Gotabaya Rajapaksa, rejected the stated reason, stating that files cannot be misplaced simply because of a relocation of the department's main office. Following these developments, the President of the Appeals Court, Justice Yasantha Kodagoda, instructed the Attorney General's office to obtain reasons in writing from the Department of Immigration and Emigration as to the non-availability of files prior to 2007. President Counsel Romesh De Silva also pointed out that if the CID's B report into how Rajapaksa obtained his passport and national identity card is not provided to the attorneys assigned for considering the petition, it will be put to his client at a disadvantage. President Counsel Gamini Marapana, who represents sixth respondent of the petition, opposition leader Mahinda Rajapaksa, meanwhile noted that his particular CID investigation was launched after complaint lodged by the petitioners on an earlier occasion. The President Counsel argued that civil society activists Gamini Viyangoda and Professor Chandragupta Tenuvara hold a clear political agenda by seeking a writ order during an ongoing CID investigation. However, the President of the Appeals Court announced that his opposition will be considered before the court at a later date. Attorney Suren Fernando, who represents the petitioners, argued that the dual citizenship confirmation of Gotabaya Rajapaksa is a nullified document before the law. Fernando insisted that under the 19th article of the Citizenship Act, issuance of dual citizenship lies only with the relevant subject minister and that former President Mahinda Rajapaksa did not have the necessary powers to do so at the time. In response, Deputy Solicitor General Nereen Pulle pointed out that the President possesses executive powers under the Constitution to hold powers of the Cabinet of Ministers in the absence of a Cabinet, which in turn allows the President to wield powers of the subject minister overlooking citizenship issues. Petition will be reconsidered in court at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow.
Maxis, number one tie in Sri Lanka.